basically here to do a live performance of Dead Island soundtrack, which has captured the imagination, not just the gaming community, but the film community as well. We were given a sort of brief. They were looking for sort of emotional music, possibly piano and strings, but it was, sort of open enough that there's a sort of creative freedom that you go and do something. But within a specific thing, they were trying to achieve that contrast. I mean, it's all about contrast, really. The gruesome visuals with some beautiful music to create that kind of, almost a sort of strange tension, a kind of, a real kind of internal dichotomy of the emotion versus what you're seeing. So you're hearing beautiful music and you're seeing something, the most gruesome thing you can imagine. And that was just emphasised by the fact that it was slow motion in reverse, and so that was the brief. And I mean, it was a really interesting film, really interesting brief. So as a composer, you're then inspired, and actually it's easier to do something good.